How to maintain iPhone battery health. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If your iPhone battery health is dropping quickly, then it usually is caused by heat or charging habits or heavy uses. To stop that, go ahead and open settings on your device and then tap on battery and then tap on battery health and charging. Further, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for optimized battery charging, and doing this will slowly charge your phone above 80% to reduce battery stress. Also, make sure to avoid overheating your iPhone as heat is the biggest enemy of iPhone batteries. So avoid gaming while charging and leaving phone in direct sunlight. Also, make sure to avoid using fast chargers constantly and charging under pillows or blankets. And make sure to try to keep your iPhone cool while charging. Also, the best battery life hack is charge your phone when your battery drops to 20 to 30% and stop charging around 80 to 90%. Avoid frequent 0 to 100 charge cycles, and this will keep your battery life good. Also, make sure to remove phone cases while charging, as some cases trap heat during charging. So, removing the case can help the phone stay cooler and protect your battery health. And while charging, make sure to use a certified Apple charger and MFI certified cables, as cheap chargers can cause heat and battery damage. Next, avoid using heavily charging. So, doing this increases battery temperature and battery stress. Examples: gaming, video recording, or long video calls. Also, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Software Update. Here, go ahead and make sure to update your iPhone to its latest version, as Apple often improves battery management in updates. Also, in general, again, tap on background app refresh and go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for background app refresh completely, as this will reduce battery strain. So these were a few ways on how you can maintain your iPhone battery health. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.